Yo, what's good, guys? KosherTech here. So today we got some more Chinese RGB fans to review. Let's go. These bad boys are from Asiahorse. These are Asiahorse brand new fans. You see what I'm saying? Like, with a name out, I gotta flip it all the way in the back. WD-001 white 3-pack. The 3-pack that I basically got run you for like 30 bucks. I believe they got a 5-pack. I think it's like 35 bucks or 45. But anyways, I'll have everything in the link in the description below. But anyways, I got 6 fans. Again, Asiahorse, you guys gotta fix your box. Your box is whack. There's no presentation out here. I don't know nothing about this product. I just, basically purchased. I know I get, obviously, I know what I got, but through Amazon, but still on the box, make it like a retail box so we're gonna see everything because like no specs, everything broken down. Basically where it's made in China. You can follow Asiahorse over here. Let's just pop this out. So I want to say these are similar to the FS-9001s, but I'm going to show you guys the FS-9001s, but they don't have the LEDs how the FS-9001s do. Presentation is pretty dope, I got to say. As always for Asiahorse, these shits feel cheap as F, all right? Cheap AF. That's how they feel, man. Cheap AF, yo. We got remote control. We got it. Oh, man, these. Bruh. Asiahorse be trolling me, son. Right now, they be playing, bruh. They be playing. I told these cats, yo, fix your damn products, man. Anyways, we got the stupid adhesive again that they gave us. Like, yo, they making this shit way too cost effective. All right, this hub essentially works with, this is the same. If you have the FS-9002s or the FS-9001s or any of those FS, basically it's the same hub. Again, cutouts for magnets, but no magnets. That's just tripping, man. You playing, bro. And then you got these arrows. Get rid of these arrows and label them. Like, you basically go, this starts from 1 through 5 over here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here, right, we got 6. We got 5, 6. Man, my Spanish is tough. But anyways, basically up to 10 fans. And then you have your power over here, your PWM over here, your power over here, and then your aura over here. So your Mystic Lights, your Asus Aura, and all that other good stuff. At least this is SATA, which is dope. But bro, like how they did us, man, it's no bueno, bro. But anyways, same Asiahorse remote control that basically comes with all these other fans. What you want to do is just peel this plastic. There you go. Pop this from the bottom, and then you get a red light, and you straight. So you got all these other colors over here. You got, I gotta say, their modes for Asiahorse, I like them a lot. So I want to even see if this PWM header is actually gonna work. You plug this in, because last time with the FS-9002 and the other ones, you plug this in your CPU fan header, and it basically you could even control it via the BIOS. And this is your Aura sync. So where it says Aura, you're gonna plug this in over here, where it's yellow, which is labeled. I like that. It's actually labeled differently, which is a plus. You plug this over here, and then you plug this into your 3-pin 5-volt header, and this is basically for GB. This is for gigabyte motherboards. So if you have a gigabyte motherboard, this is an additional plug-in. And then for the PWM controller, where it says PWM, you plug this in, and then you plug this into your CPU fan header. If you don't want to do that, you could just use the remote control where it says fan speed, and you just basically change fan speeds like that. But anyways, you have your screws, and then you have Asiahorse booklet and whatnot. But anyways, let's get to the fans. So the fans, like I said, they feel hella cheap. This is the fan blade itself. It essentially lights up. So let me just grab the FS-9002. So now the FSC, to be honest, just quality wise and the way it looks, the FS-9002s look so much hella better, because you have this nice LED ring over here, and then just overall the LED just looks a lot. This, like, look, put it side by side for you cats, and you guys can see it, like the difference, and the shape of it is different. Now this white will eventually, start getting yellow, as it's here. Already got yellow. I do test a lot, so I constantly remove them. If you just have them in your case, they'll be fine. But overall, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 10 fan blades, and we got 7, or was it 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 fan blades. So that's basically the difference. But overall, they feel hella cheap. You don't have the nice LED rings here, and you have your typical 6-pin proprietary cable. These just look so much better. You have the Asiahorse logo over here. FS-9002s look a lot better. But anyways, let me see how they run. And like I said, the hub, right? The hub will basically work So if I plug in the FS-9002 fans in here, it's gonna basically work, you know, so you'll be good. But anyways, let me see how they run. Let's go. Alright guys, so I have the ghetto paper towel test basically here is installed. Essentially what it does is just to give you guys the understanding of airflow and how much, you know, RPM is going to basically push air, and for you guys to basically see the airflow. This is what this test essentially is designed. So these fans have 3 different modes. So we have 800 RPM, 1000 RPM, and 1500 RPM. 1500 RPM is max RPM. Right now it is at 800 RPM. I'm going to just stay quiet. I gotta say, at 800 RPM, they're really not that quiet. I just have the Wraith cooler that's basically speeding up. That's making the majority of the noise. Also, another thing, these things, the PWM wire for the hub, again, it also doesn't work. I try to press you have to press the white button 3 times quick. It flashes, and then essentially through the BIOS, you should be able to do it, but it doesn't work. So again, you can't use PWM. You have to use the remote control, guys. So let's crank it up to what? To 1000. You're going to see a blue light blink. That's an indication the fan speed is adjusting. So there you go. It's at 800. Now I got to say, they perform hella well. I mean, they perform like the FS-9002s. I want to say this is 1200. That's max. Oops, I got it. So yeah, I had to lower that ghetto paper towel test was about to get stuck. Let me see if it's gonna get stuck again. Yeah, you see that thing. But yeah, it pushes. Oops, don't get stuck. But it pushes plenty of air, guys, at 1500 RPM. These fans do not make a lot of noise. Sorry for the ghetto paper towel test. Kind of failing here, but anyways, let's move on to some RGB. Let's go. All right guys, so now let's run through all the colors, all the fun RGB stuff. So we're gonna run through the solid colors first, but before we do that, I just want to show you guys brightness adjustment. This is our max brightness, and we're gonna slowly, you know, wind it down. So slowly decreasing the brightness. So that's minimal. And that's max. They are pretty bright, I gotta say. The brightness is good. They're not overly powering bright. You know, you have the feature here to adjust it, which is a plus. So this is white. We got red. We got green, and we got blue. So these are the solid preset colors that basically come with these fans and with the hub. You know, with the Asiahorse hub is basically the same ones. Let's just run through the color cycles. So we have this purple color. We have a different purple color, like a greenish, I want to say. Then we have this, like a rainbow effect, which is pretty cool. And you guys see the RAM there, the RAM heat sinks are actually doing the exact same thing. Now we could speed up the fan LEDs, so they're gonna make them a little go faster. You see how that RAM, the heat sinks are pretty dope. I did review the heat sinks. I'll have them in the description below. What else we got here? Different mode. Now you can just make them faster, slower. Let's crank it up a little faster. We have this, we have that. I mean, you have plenty. You see how it's a little faster now. We have this effect, which is cool. It's cool. I gotta say, with the RAM, it looks pretty dope with the heat sinks, man. It looks pretty fire with the heat sinks. Colors are pretty cool. I like this one right here. It's pretty awesome. I like how the RAM just changes color. Oh, man, it's wild. It's fun as heck, man, with the RAM. But yeah, you gotta have all these presets. It's pretty, you know, typical Asiahorse style. Let me just go to auto, and then we could switch. All right, what is it? We could switch other colors. What does this do? Oh, there you go. So this has this effect. This is the rainbow effect. It's pretty awesome. have this effect. This thing is, so we could slow it down. You see, we can slow it slow. This is on maximal, basically. Now it's really slow, and then we could speed up the LEDs. It's right here, light show, man. This is on max. They're going crazy. Yeah, let's slow it down, man. Let's slow it down. And then we have this. I mean, you have plenty of options, plenty of colors. You could set them if you want to just, if you want to save a color, you could just like, I think hit set like 5 times and it locks the color. So yeah, I mean, these are the WD Asiahorse fans, like 30 bucks. Look, are they worth it? I think they are. I mean, the quality, it is what it is, but they still do amount of, 1500, 100 RPM. They push a good amount of air. You can put this on the rad, you'll be good. But yeah, guys, I'm KosherTech. Let me know in the comments below what you cats actually think. I mean, if you're looking in the market, if you want some, I would say go with the FS-9002s, but if you're in an extra budget, cop these. You guys are gonna like these as well. But anyways, guys, I'm KosherTech. I'm gonna catch you cats next time. Deuces!